Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to link bank accounts in Rocket Money. So to link a bank account in this app, you will need first to open Rocket Money and sign in with your account or sign up if you don't have one. And then guys, you will need to go below right here to the frequently linked and look for or select a linked account, and here you will need to search for your bank or credit union. Right, so you will need or you are forced to select it from the list, right? So once you select one of these, you will need to tap continue and enter the same username and password you use for online banking, and then just complete any multi-factor authentication like the security code, the app approval, etc., if prompted, of course. So after linking, the transactions may appear immediately, but some accounts can take 24 to 48 hours to fully import transaction history and balances. And Rocket Money uses Plaid to securely connect to financial institutions, and Rocket Money states that it does not see or store your bank login credentials. Also, if your bank doesn't appear, or if you can't find your bank in the search results, it may not currently be supported through Plaid. In the mobile app, you can submit a request for support directly from the bank search screen. So now, if the linking fails, you will need to double check in your username and password and manually type in credentials instead of using autofill, and complete any required security questions or if a setup on your bank's website. Also guys, you will need to try the connection from a desktop browser in private and incognito mode. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.